In this video, we will be seeing how to install Circuit Wizard version 1.15 on Windows 10 or 11. So, first of all, download this Circuit Wizard file from the link given in the description or pinned comments. Then open your File Explorer and locate the file. After that, open the Circuit Wizard file. Close this pop-up window and click on Extract to, and then hit OK. Now close this window and open the Circuit Wizard file that we just extracted. Click on it again. Open this Install Notes text file. You can minimize it for the time being. Now run this setup file as administrator. Now wait and let it prepare the installer. Once it is done, minimize your File Explorer. Now hit Next. And now yes. At this point, open your notepad that you minimized at the starting and arrange the notepad and the installer side by side. The serial number is provided in the text file. Copy it one by one as I do and paste it in its desired position. Now minimize your notepad and hit Next. Hit Yes to confirm the registration. Now here you can either install it in the default C drive location or change it to another location. I would prefer to install it in my D drive, but it is not necessary for you to. You can continue the installation in your C drive also. You can hit Next to continue the installation in your preferred drive. Now hit Next as single standalone installation. And again Next. Now wait for it to install. Hit Finish to close the installer. You can close your notepad also. Now you will see a Circuit Wizard shortcut on your desktop. Right-click on it and click on Open File Location. Now open the File Explorer from where we have installed the Circuit Wizard. There you will see a crack folder. Open it and drag and drop the CKTWIZ application file from there to the file location where Circuit Wizard is installed. Click Replace the file in the destination. Everything is done now. You can now close all the application windows and double-click on your Circuit Wizard shortcut. Circuit Wizard version 1.15 has been successfully installed. I hope this video was helpful to you. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.